I just finished this vintage Karl Griesbaum double singing bird cage. Wonderful condition with 2 birds. It's already fully wound, so I'm going to start the mechanism off on the pause mode, and let's watch the birds serenade each other. I'll move to continuous. The birds sing with full voice, hitting all the proper oscillating notes, and they animate perfectly. This is a very strong singer, yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly as it should. Then you turn it off by sliding that lever back to the left. In summary, a vintage Karl Griesbaum singing bird cage in absolutely wonderful condition, both mechanically and cosmetically. And there's really only one thing better than a singing bird cage, and that's a singing bird cage that has 2 birds. Take care.